Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to watch ReelShort free episodes. So if you've seen videos claiming there's a secret trick to unlock every ReelShort episode for free, then here's what you should know. The truth is there isn't a legitimate way to unlock all premium ReelShort episodes for free. However, ReelShort does let you watch content without paying in several official ways. Many series include the first few episodes completely free, so you can try a show before deciding whether to continue. And for locked episodes, the ReelShort app often lets you unlock additional episodes by watching rewarded ads or buying using free coins earned through daily check-ins, login rewards, or other in-app activities. ReelShort also publishes some full series and free content on its official YouTube channel, so it's worth checking there as well. And you need to be careful with websites or apps claiming they can unlock every premium episodes for free. So that was how to watch ReelShort free episodes using the official options. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.